We're going to take a look at the differencing methods, diff and percent change. They work the same as a series. So hopefully you understood it with a series. So diff, again, it works column-wise. It will take the difference between the current value and the previous value by default, right? So the first value is 2 cents lower than the one above it. Obviously, these have no previous value, so they will all be missing. You can go the opposite direction. You can see over here, the period size is 1. You can say, you can look at the -1, right? So this goes in the opposite direction, right? How much is this one minus this one, right? So you can go in that direction. You can go more than one period 3. So this would be about 3 days apart, 3 trading days apart. So this is the difference between this one and 3 before, which is this. So that is 83 cents decline from the first trading day over here. And then it just applies it to every column. Okay, that's nice. And then percent change does the same thing. It just takes the percentage, not just the absolute difference. So this is just the percentage. So not actually quite the percentage. You need to be clear. Even though it says percent change, you do have to multiply it by 100. It's like 0.07% decline. Then it had a 1.6% decline on the next day, and so forth. So you do have to multiply by 100 to actually get the percentage. It doesn't get the, so this wording isn't 100% correct. It's the fraction change. And of course the numbers work the same, so you can do the percent change, the 3-day change, like that. All right, so that covers how you use diff and percent change.